The first thing you're going to want to do is to remove these 3 tabs and this back here, and it will pull loose. And if you're at the back looking at it, you're going to turn this and turn it left to loosen it and pull this out. Then there's a little ballast. What you'll want to do is reach your hand in here like this, twist it to the left, and pull it out. And where this is your high beam on the bottom left. This is your low beam back in here. And you can see the bulb right there. So what's happening here is this is like one mechanism. This is actually a bracket, and it's really hard to see, but there's like metal hooks right here that's built into this housing, and this light bulb only goes on here one direction, so you have to pull on each side and then it will go up. This, I know, this is the most difficult side, so we're going to go ahead and get this one done first. I would be pulling this way and then up. See how that is right there? And then this, see how this raises? Now, gotta be very careful pulling this thing out. But see how it lines up only that way right there. You can see in there a little better now.